Hello, Moms Gang. Today we're gonna cook delicious and famous Indian dish that's butter chicken. So let's get started. So here are the list of ingredients that we're gonna use for the recipe today. So make sure that you use the unsalted butter for this recipe. Before we start cooking this dish, it is really important to marinate the chicken first. So for that, take one bowl and add 4 tablespoons of yogurt or curd. Then add 2 tablespoons of chili powder. Then add 1 tablespoon of salt. Then half a tablespoon of turmeric. So I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of oil and mix all of this before we drop all the chicken. So now I'm gonna add like 500 grams of boneless chicken and mix this well and keep it aside. Now on a hot pan, add like 4 tablespoons of oil and fry the chicken on both the sides until it gets into this shape. So once it's kind of fried, so we're gonna separate this into a different bowl. Fun fact about this dish is we're gonna use one single pan to cook all the dish. So here I'm gonna use the same pan and gonna add one onion which is chopped, and now I'm gonna toss it for 1 minute. So after that we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of butter, which is the main ingredient. So make sure that the butter is unsalted. So now I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of ginger and garlic paste. So once that is added, just mix it well. Now add 3 tomatoes which are chopped. So you can roughly chop it. It's not required to chop it like pretty well. Anyways, it's gonna get grated, so you can roughly chop it. So now I'm gonna add half a tablespoon of turmeric. Now 2 tablespoons of chili powder, are up to your spice levels, and 1 tablespoon of salt, and half a tablespoon of Garam Masala. Then 1 tablespoon of sugar. Sugar is really important for this dish. So now I'm gonna mix it all together. So mix it for like 30 seconds and add like 50 grams of cashew. Then add 4 to 5 cloves. Then 3 cardamom and 2 bay leaves. So now mix all of this for like 30 seconds before we drop some water into this. So now I'm gonna add like 1 cup of water. So once we add the 1 cup of water, let it cook on like low to medium heat for like 10 minutes until the butter masala is ready. So now you see, so I've been cooking for like 10 minutes and the butter masala is ready. Let it cool for 5 minutes and grate this. So now once it's grated, we're gonna filter all the masala until all the seeds, the tomato seeds, are separated. So you can see this is all the seeds and all from the tomato. So you can see how smooth and velvety this butter masala is. Now I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of chili powder, or you can add according to your spice levels. I like more spicy, so I added 2 tablespoons of chili powder and 1 tablespoon of salt, half a tablespoon of garam masala, and mix this for like 1 minute. Now add like 2 tablespoons of butter. Now let's drop off all the fried chicken into this. So just to add here that I have been cooking all this on a low heat, so make sure that the heat is low. And yeah, so once we add the chicken, we're gonna mix it well and let it cook for like 10 minutes on a low heat, so that all the masalas gets absorbed by chicken. So you can mix it in between so that it doesn't get burned. So yeah, that's it. So yeah, our butter chicken is kind of ready. before we add some Kasuri Methi or Fenugreek leaves. So add the crushed ones for like 1 tablespoon. So now we're gonna mix it well, and then add some heavy cream. So I'm adding like 2 tablespoons of heavy cream here, which is an optional one, but it's gonna taste really good when you add the heavy cream. So it's still an optional one, but it's up to you. So we're gonna add this and like cook for 1 minute. So we're gonna mix this and transfer this into a serving bowl. So you're gonna see like how velvety and smooth the butter chicken masala is ready. So you can serve this with a paratha, chapati, or any kind of rice. So before doing that, so I'm gonna add some more fenugreek leaves or crushed kasuri methi, like half a tablespoon. So it's gonna give like good taste while you're eating. So I'm gonna add like 1 more tablespoon of heavy cream. So yeah, this is it, guys. So as I said, like you can enjoy this dish with paratha, chapati, ghee rice or jeera rice. So I hope you liked the recipe. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and do let us know in the comment section below what did you like about this recipe. And also do follow us on Instagram on this account. And as always, love your mom, because moms are always the best. Meet you with another recipe. Bye.